Abraham, what is it that you want? Is that what an alpaca says? Is that what you say when you have to go to the bathroom and you're not at your poop pile? It is?
Do alpacas talk a lot?
Only when they've got something to say, and he's got something to say right now, and that is, I think, that when I get back to my pen, I'm going to go in my poop pile. But I don't poop out here. Is that right, Abraham?
So that's where it's different from a horse that would just poop as it's walking, or a goat.
Or a dog. All right, let's go. Let's go. No, we're not. Thanks for joining us at the Chapel Carriage House for Learn Along with Farmer Brenda. And this is Abraham and I saying goodbye for now.